WinToys versus Microsoft PowerToys. Choosing the right Windows utility can transform how you customize and optimize your PC without complicated setups. Both offer powerful tools but with different approaches and features. WinToys and Microsoft PowerToys are Windows utilities designed to boost productivity and system customization. The core difference lies in WinToys focusing on user-friendly automation and enhancements, while PowerToys delivers advanced system tweaks and utilities directly from Microsoft. WinToys is a versatile Windows utility that offers a suite of productivity tools aimed at simplifying everyday tasks. It works by integrating lightweight automation features like window management, quick screenshot capture, and clipboard enhancements. WinToys is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring an intuitive interface that helps users quickly access and customize tools without deep technical knowledge. Its strengths include smooth multitasking support and handy utilities that reduce repetitive work. However, it has limitations in terms of advanced customization options and deeper system-level tweaks. WinToys is ideal for users who want practical, straightforward tools to streamline their workflow without diving into complex configurations or command line setups. It's perfect for casual users and professionals seeking simple productivity boosts on Windows. Microsoft PowerToys is a powerful, open-source utility collection developed by Microsoft to enhance Windows functionality for power users. It works by providing advanced tools such as fancy zones for window layouts, Power Rename for bulk file renaming, and Keyboard Manager for remapping keys. PowerToys integrates deeply with the Windows OS, offering extensive customization and system-level enhancements. Its strengths include robust features, regular updates, and strong community support. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to its technical nature and broad scope of tools. Some utilities require manual setup or understanding of Windows internals. PowerToys is best suited for advanced users, developers, and IT professionals who want granular control over their system and are comfortable with customization. It's the go-to for those who want to unlock the full potential of Windows through powerful tweaks and utilities. Comparing WinToys and Microsoft PowerToys highlights different user needs. WinToys excels at simplicity and quick productivity gains with easy-to-use automation, ideal for users wanting immediate benefits without complexity. In contrast, PowerToys offers a deeper, more technical toolkit that appeals to advanced users looking for extensive customization and system control. For example, if you need straightforward window snapping and clipboard tools, WinToys delivers with minimal setup. But if you require bulk file renaming or custom keyboard remapping, PowerToys provides those powerful features. The trade-off is between ease of use and depth of control. WinToys prioritizes accessibility, while PowerToys focuses on flexibility and advanced functionality. Both improve Windows usability but cater to distinct audiences and workflows. Choose WinToys if you prefer simple, user-friendly tools that boost productivity with minimal setup and straightforward automation on Windows. Microsoft PowerToys is the better choice for advanced users seeking powerful, customizable utilities and deeper Windows integration. Whether you're a developer or power user, PowerToys unlocks extensive system tweaks to tailor your workflow precisely. Pick the tool that fits your skill level and needs best.